Hey guys, this is Deepa. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be working on underwater mural painting. I hope you like this video. As you can see, I have traced the canvas on my sketchbook and I'm doing some research or search you can say on Pinterest for a reference photo. After this, I start sketching. The reason why I'm doing this is because I have to make two similar paintings. If it would have been one, I would have not taken so much effort of sketching it on the sketch pad first, then after that tracing it on a butter paper and then imprinting it on the canvas using a red or yellow carbon paper. Sketching is complete. I am using a butter paper here to trace the painting. You can use a normal pen or a marker or something that is dark. Here I am just doing some organization. After that I have stuck the washi tape on the border of the canvas. I'm selecting the colors I'll be using today. Let's start painting. I hope you like the painting. Please like, share and subscribe.